Why me? I haven't made my first six figures. I haven't made not even one sale. Why is this always happening to me? I don't know what's going on. Well, if you're one person who wants to ask yourself that kind of question, well, stay tuned because today I have just a treat for you. So many people, they are launching their online businesses. Some of them, they are launching like online coaching, courses, books, or whatever service that they're actually doing. But the only problem is that they have been in business for almost 2 or 3 years, and they haven't climbed to the next stage, which is 6 figures. And they're asking themselves, why is it? Well, in this video today, I'm gonna show you at least 5 reasons why you are not yet a 6-figure and 5 things you could actually do. And as you all know that these are some of the things that I just use in my day-to-day life. So expect to also hear some stories in this video. So let's dive into this. Very first thing, yes, I mean the very first thing why people really don't build 6 figures is simply because that their mindset is not a mindset of a 6-figure. What do I mean? Some of you might be transitioning from being an employee to start running your own online business, or you might have been running your business in a more conventional way. You have been running your business offline. You didn't even have anything online, but then this huge wave of online hit you, and it hit you strong, and right now you have no idea how to navigate through. So if you really want to build that online business, you need to tap into the right mindset. Where is your mind? What is it that you are doing? For example, when I started to actually run my online business, this is what was happening. I still remember in 2020 already having an online business, but 2020 made a very big difference in my life. So I jumped on a coaching call with one of my coaches, Cleona O'Hara. Hi, Cleona, and thank you for changing my life. So Cleona, what she did, she just asked me, Munya, what's your goal for this year? And I was like, you know what, Cleona, we've got pandemic, we've got COVID, and right now I really don't see myself reaching my 2 million mark that I had actually crossed over the previous year. And I was like, simply because this is COVID and this is in South African rands. So she was like, so how much do you want to make this year? I like, oh, it wouldn't hurt to actually get like just a million rands. She was like, oh, million rands. Okay, let me check. She did the conversion, and guess what happened? She said, oh, that would be just $48,000. And because by that time, South African rand was useless during COVID. It had went down like crazy. And I'm like, hold on. It's not even 60,000. It's not even like somebody who is earning a $5,000 every month salary. I'm like, oh, okay. Million looks so big, but 40,000 doesn't look that bad. I'm like, okay, so let's change it and make it just $60,000. Then when I did that, I changed my entire budget. My renters, yeah, well, I was still doing everything South African rands, but I was now budgeting in US dollars. I changed my website pricing. Everything turned into USD. And then guess what happened? My mind turned and started operating with a US dollar mindset. And I started running that company in 2020 during COVID. And within 11 months, we had reached $110,000. And I didn't even recognize that until, because I was not tracking this, until one day I was like, I just got an email from Kajabi saying that I've reached the 6 figures. What does that mean? Then when I went and checked, like, how much did we even make for the past 11 months? Then I was shocked. $110,000. Simply because I tuned my mind and focused on what is it that I want and turned my mind into 6 figures. So what is it that you can do? How can you trick your mindset so that you can be able to make that six-figure business. Okay, that's the very first one. Yes, it was a little bit longer because this is where everything is. The second thing that I really want you to do is what value can you offer? These people who paid me 110,000, they were not just paying because they like me or because they just didn't have that money. I was training them how to make money online during COVID because all of their businesses were all shut down. So they needed a way of making money online, and I had a solution of helping them how to do that. So I just went there and started training them. I ran boot camps. I did quite a number of things. I did a lot of stuff, and you understand that on my next topic. But most of all, I was just giving value, and people are willing to pay for the value. Guess what? They can afford it. They can afford it. So give them value and tell them what you want, and they will be able to afford that. Number 3, diversify your programs. I had a membership program. I had a one-on-one coaching program. I had a group coaching program. I had standalone courses. I diversified my portfolio, my program, so that people, when they come, if they can afford my most expensive one, which is my one-on-one, that was the most expensive that time, then they could either go to the group coaching, or they could either buy a course, or they could either go and actually sign up for my membership where they get access to all of my programs. Then I make money there, because diversifying your programs is gonna help you make more money by offering different offers and get people choose what is it that they can afford. But remember, there must still be value in any of those programs that you're actually going to be giving. All right. So the next one that I want you to do is price like a pro. So many people, they just price their prices according to their own pocket. That's not how you price your programs. Price like a pro. Price what you want. Name your price and attract the right people. Bentley doesn't attract people who are driving Toyota. Bentley, they'll never price their Bentley cars comparing themselves to a Toyota or to whatever. Porsche, they have their own pricing range. Mercedes-Benz, they have their own pricing range. Subaru, they have their own pricing range. So these companies know who do they want to serve, and they price their cars accordingly. You never see an iPhone, like you never see Apple competing with whatever, with Motorola. You never see them do that, because they know who is their customer, and Motorola also know who is their customer. So who is your customer, and what is it that they can afford to actually pay? You need to start charging them that, because that is the most important thing. So price like a pro. And the last one that I'm actually going to give you today is work on your dreams or work on your goals. Once you change that mindset and say, this is what I want to achieve, I want you to focus on it. Because so many people, they just build programs, they just write down goals, they just do all those other things. But then guess what? They then forget to work on those ones. If you set a goal of, I want to make 6 figures in the next 6 months. If you set a goal saying, I want to reach this amount of money, or I want to help these kind of clients in the next whatever month, and you don't do that, you don't work on it, how on earth do you expect to see those results coming in? How on earth do you expect to actually see that 6-figure business build itself? How on earth would you expect to do that? My friend, focus on building and working on your dreams and on your goals. Because setting your dreams and your goals is one thing, but working on it is another thing. As I said, when I was still starting to actually make a name for myself online, I set a goal. of I want to make 60,000 in a year. That was a stretch for me because it was during COVID. But then I worked on my goal. I put it down. I wrote it down. I broke it down into different pieces and say, how much do I need to do here? How much do I need to work on that? How much do I need to work on this one? And guess what? 110 in 11 months. Right now, oh my goodness, we are just growing and growing and growing each and every day. So if you really want to build that six-figure business, you can do it. I know that. This is not just a motivation or whatever, but I'm just telling you from my own story. You can literally do that by applying these 5 steps that I just given you. And always remember that you can schedule a free coaching call with me where I'll jump on a call and help you better and help you actually build that six-figure business and help you with all of the strategies that can help you to take your life to the next level. Okay, let's go build those businesses right now. It's time for you to go and implement. Go implement. Schedule a call by clicking the link below and start implementing right away. See you. Happy six-figure business building. Yeah.